Right, I've been doing a fair bit of camping recently, and hopefully a few more trips planned this year. And everybody has been asking me, what do I sleep on? So I thought I would do a video showing you my, I think in camping terms they call it my sleep system. So I thought I'd just show you what I've got. And so for ease, I've been chucking it in this little bag, and just means I know I've got everything in one place really. So let's have a quick look. What have I got in here? So I have in here, in no particular order, my Trekology Aluft UL80. So this is a sleeping mat, and I can't remember how much I paid for this. I put prices on screen, and I really like this. It's got kind of a curve to it, so when you lie on it, it actually holds you in. It's very subtle, but it's amazing how much it does hold you in. And also in here, I have also from the same manufacturer is my pillow, which is an Aluft pillow. And I learned a little bit of a trick recently. It's very easy with these things to just pump them up real hard, but I pump mine up and then just let a little bit of air out and actually make it a bit softer. Really comfortable. This comes with a little strap so that I can actually sort of strap it to the sleeping mat, and then it doesn't slide around too much. So yeah, so that's my sleeping mat and pillow. I've also got a little additional comfort pillow here. This is just a little cheap thing from Mountain Warehouse, just to give that extra sort of softer thing to stick your head on. Right, so the sleeping mat obviously keeps you comfortable and also gives you a bit of insulation off the ground, but for the sake of a few quid off Amazon, you've got to get yourself a little foil mat. And I never used one last year. I never really got cold or anything, but I did find since using this year, I've definitely felt I've been a bit warmer. And also, while I was packing up my tent a few weeks back, sort of put my hands on the base of the tent, put one on, like, you know, there's the main tent ground floor sheet, whatever, and then the other hand on this, and I could massively feel the difference between the temperature of the tent that's laid straight on the ground and the temperature of this. So if there's any doubt that this reflects heat back, then definitely no more. Not necessarily sleeping, but I've got a spare little towel in here as well. And then finally, my most recent purchase is the Fathom EV300. So this is quite a popular backpackers hiking sleeping bag from Go Outdoors. This is their 3-season, so it's well, you can see the numbers on there. So yeah, comfort factor 1 degree, limit -5, extreme -22. I don't think I'm going to be out in -22 degrees C. -5 I doubt either, to be frank, but literally weighs like about a kilo, and as you can see, packs up quite small. And with these compression straps, you can even save a little bit more space if you need to. So yeah, there we go. That is my sort of sleeping stuff for when I go camping. I've got some links below where you can get these things, and if I remember rightly, I'll put prices and stuff up on the screen. But, yeah, there we go. That's what keeps me cozy and warm while I'm in the tent.